Hi everyone, welcome back to Body Make and Health Management channel. Have you ever suddenly craved chocolate or salty crisps? That intense urge is what we call a craving. But cravings aren't just random, they're your body and mind sending you coded messages about your health, emotions and habits. In this video, we'll decode what cravings really mean, how they differ from hunger, and why emotions and environment play such a big role. We'll also look at the most common cravings, sugar, salt, carbs, and fat, and what they might be telling you. Most importantly, you'll learn practical strategies to manage cravings and build a healthier relationship with food. Let's dive in and discover what your body is really trying to say. Chapter 1. What's the real difference? To truly understand cravings, we first need to separate them from genuine physical hunger. This distinction is important because it helps us make better decisions about what, when, and why we eat. Physical hunger builds gradually over time. It's your body's natural signal that it needs fuel, and it can usually be satisfied by a variety of foods. When you're physically hungry, almost any nourishing meal will do, because your body is simply asking for energy to function well. Cravings, on the other hand, tend to appear suddenly and feel urgent. They're often focused on a specific food, like chocolate, chips, or pastries, and usually aren't related to your body's actual need for nourishment. For example, you might crave ice cream or a sweet treat right after dinner, even if you're already full. That's a craving, not true hunger. And it's often about comfort or habit rather than a physical need. Cravings are usually psychological, triggered by emotions like stress, boredom, or sadness, or by external cues such as seeing an advertisement or smelling food. Recognizing this difference is key. The next time you feel the urge to eat, pause for a moment and ask yourself, am I truly hungry or is this just a craving? This simple act of reflection can help you make more mindful choices. If it's hunger, honor your body's needs and eat a nourishing, balanced meal that will satisfy you and keep you energized. If it's a craving, get curious. What's really driving it? Are you feeling emotional, tired, or just reacting to something you saw or smelled? This simple question puts you back in control, helping you respond thoughtfully instead of automatically. Understanding the difference between hunger and cravings is the first step to making healthier, more intentional choices every day. Chapter 2. When feelings drive your appetite. Emotional eating is one of the biggest drivers of cravings. Stress, sadness, boredom, or loneliness can all send you running for comfort foods, usually high in sugar, fat, or salt. These foods trigger pleasure chemicals in your brain, offering temporary relief. Emotional cravings are sudden, urgent, and focused on specific foods, while true hunger is gradual and flexible. If you notice a craving, pause and check in with your emotions. Are you stressed, bored, or upset? Identifying the feeling can weaken the craving's grip. Try a non-food response, call a friend, take a walk, or do something you enjoy. This helps you meet your emotional needs in healthier ways. Chapter 3. Sugar, salt, carbs, and fat. Cravings often fall into four main categories: sugar, salt, carbs, and fat. Sugar cravings can signal blood sugar swings or a need for quick energy. Salt cravings might mean dehydration, an electrolyte imbalance, or just habit. Carb cravings are often linked to mood. Carbs boost serotonin, making you feel better temporarily. Fat cravings can mean your body needs healthy fats, or you're seeking comfort and fullness. Each craving is a clue. Listen to what your body might be asking for. Sometimes, a craving is just a habit, but it can also be your body's way of seeking balance. Understanding the root helps you respond wisely. Chapter 4. How your surroundings shape desire. Cravings aren't just internal, they're shaped by your environment. Food ads, smells, and even routines can trigger cravings instantly. Walking past a bakery or seeing a snack on a colleague's desk can spark a sudden urge, even if you're not hungry. Habits play a role too. If you always eat ice cream while watching TV, the show itself becomes a craving trigger. These are learned associations, not true hunger. To break the cycle, change your environment. Take a new route home, keep healthy snacks visible, or switch up your routines. Identify your triggers, and adjust your surroundings to make healthy choices easier. Awareness is your best tool. Make your environment work for you, not against you. Chapter 5. Simple ways to manage your cravings. So what can you do when a craving hits? Cravings can feel overwhelming, but with a few simple strategies, you can manage them without feeling deprived or frustrated. The key is to pause and check in with yourself before reacting. Start by drinking a glass of water. Thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Sometimes your body just needs hydration, not food. Give yourself a moment to see if the craving fades after a few sips. If the craving persists, create a short delay. Wait 10 minutes and distract yourself with another activity. Try reading, calling a friend, or stepping outside for fresh air. Often, the urge will pass if you give it a little time. Changing your routine can help too. If you always crave sweets at a certain time, try a walk or a different drink instead. Even a small change, like making herbal tea, can break the pattern and help you feel more in control. Don't aim for total deprivation. That often backfires. Allowing yourself some flexibility makes it easier to stick to your goals in the long run. Plan for mindful indulgences. Enjoy a small treat slowly and without guilt. Savor the flavors, and pay attention to how it makes you feel, rather than eating quickly or out of habit. The goal is balance, not perfection. Eating a variety of foods and allowing yourself occasional treats helps you build a healthy relationship with food. Over time, these strategies weaken old habits and build new, healthier ones. Tracking your progress or preparing healthy snacks in advance can make a big difference. Remember, cravings are normal. It's how you respond that matters. Be kind to yourself, and recognize that everyone experiences them from time to time. Use these tools to stay in control and enjoy food without guilt. With practice, you'll find it easier to make choices that support your well-being and let you truly enjoy your meals. We've uncovered the secret language of cravings. They're not just about willpower, but messages from your body and mind. Every urge, whether for something sweet, salty, or crunchy, is a signal worth paying attention to. Instead of fighting these cravings, what if you could learn to interpret them, like learning a new language that helps you understand yourself better? By distinguishing hunger from cravings, understanding emotional triggers, and decoding what your body really needs, you gain real power over your choices. Journaling your feelings and food habits can reveal patterns you never noticed before, making it easier to respond thoughtfully instead of automatically. Your environment and habits matter, but you can change them. Small shifts like keeping nourishing foods visible and making your kitchen a supportive space can make a big difference over time. Use practical strategies, hydrate, delay, change routines, and practice mindful indulgence. Sometimes a glass of water or a short walk is all it takes to reset your mind and body, helping you make choices that truly serve you. Every craving is a chance to check in with yourself and respond with care. Instead of judging yourself, use these moments to practice self-compassion and curiosity about what you really need. Building this awareness is a lifelong practice, but it leads to a healthier, more compassionate relationship with food. Over time, you'll notice more peace and confidence in your choices, and a deeper trust in your body's wisdom. Next time a craving strikes, pause, listen, and get curious. Ask yourself what you're really feeling and what your body might be asking for in that moment. You have the tools to understand your body, and that's the key to lasting well-being. With practice, you'll find that tuning into your body's language leads to more joy, balance, and freedom in your relationship with food. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video!